Yes, we are friends of Unilag.
Unilag.
Yes.
So what are your major concerns concerning Nigeria's current situation?
In everything that's happening, school fees should not be something that should be increased. These people that are in government today, they benefited from our all free education, and they are coming into power to increase school fees. So the poor masses cannot afford education, which is not meant to be. They want to weaponize the literacy, so people cannot come out to use their right like this. They are supposed to be more than this, but many people cannot come out due to illiteracy. School fees should be reduced, so many people can afford education.
Now another thing, the government too has spoken through the office of the Minister of Information and National Orientation that they started the issue of student loan. That is in a way to address the concern of the youth. No. Is that sufficient?
No, that's the lifetime bondage. Why you not come and take loans to do education? People are taking loans to do business, taking loans to pay house rent. You just come and take loans to get education. Tinubu did not take loans to go to school. Tinubu went to our own free school. Why should we take loans to go to his own school? No. Student loan is a sham and it should be abolished.
Now, conclusively, in the campus, what is the level of living cost of?
There is hardship. People are hungry. If you are in hostel, people are knocking. You collect garri from this room, collect sugar from this room. People are drinking garri with salt in the school. People are suffering because they are doing a lot of work to be able to afford their school fees. Many people could not write the time last semester because of school fees. They should reverse school fees so people can go to school.
If you were to speak about insecurity, is this something you have knowledge of? What is your advice to government?
Or what?
The level of insecurity in the country.
Insecurity. The level of insecurity is terrible and it's not meant to be. The people should be able to travel freely. Now, people guys to go from how are you scared to travel in your country? People cannot go from Lagos to Ondo. They are scared that people will kidnap them. The government should do something about insecurity. Look at these policemen that are here for protesters. We are unarmed. People are armed in Bornu. We are not there against them. Look at the security. Look at them here. Too much security with too much gun. Gun have not even seen on the street against armed robbers. You are here with unarmed protesters. They should do something to people in Bornu. All the soldiers that are against protesters should go to Bornu and Kaduna to go and fight Boko Haram and not us.
So thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Adeleke.
I want to take you on some of the issues that we are trying to understand, where some of our religious leaders are not able to speak up now. You know, as a student, you know, what does that actually mean to you? Considering the fact that even the traditional rulers, everybody was like, you know, no need for protest. What is the meaning of that?
Everybody is compromised. During the election, religious leaders came out openly support to make their candidates known to us. But during the hardship, nobody is saying anything. Religious rulers, our clerics, nobody is coming to say anything. If they cannot stand up, we will stand up. We will come out. This hardship is too much.
Are you discouraged with the level of turn up for this protest?
No, we are not discouraged.
For a start, I think I'm really impressed. We are going somewhere, and we are optimistic that something will happen. We are optimistic.
Yes, as a youth, you know, what do you think? Why is it Nigeria for this 104 years of existence and no sector is working? What is actually wrong with Nigeria?
We have been victims of bad leaders right from inception. We have been victims. And we have to change it. If we don't change it, we are not going forward. And this
how are you going to change it? Is it not through balloting?
By this protest.
The balloting is not working because they have even bought the balloting.
The balloting is not working. The balloting is not working. The balloting is not working. Not the balloting is not working. I love that. I love that.
200 million in Nigeria. You are looking at 12 million votes. 12 million votes out of 200 million. You are not the voice of the majority. You are not our choice. We want good leadership. Good leadership.
We have seen several people, you know, calling their people to order. Don't go out. Don't do this. Don't do this. It doesn't mean Nigeria is not. They are not having unity of purpose or what? What is actually the issue?
That's what the government wants. They want people to be hungry. They have weaponized poverty. And when they say those people, they will do their will.
They are turning citizens against each other. No.
We are not affordable. We are priceless.
Okay, on a final note, what do you see at the end of the protest? Is it going to have a kind of impact, or now are they going to insist until there is a level of, you know, a compromise on the side of government trying to do one or two things, at least an emergency solution? What is your take on that?
With the level of turnout today, we are very optimistic that a change will happen. This turnout is very massive for a first day.
Wow.
Massive. and we are impressed. We are impressed.
The
We are
protest
going
will
to do this till the end, till the very end.
Because even before we started protest, they have reduced, they have reverted the electricity hike. They have started selling rice at 40,000. They have been doing it before protest started. After this protest, they will do
That means they have
do
the power
lots
to
more.
do it.
It's working in Kenya, it's working in Nigeria.
So, as a student of University of Lagos, what's their general assessment? What's the school atmosphere? What's it like, generally since the inception of this administration? What
The
are the
economy is affecting students more than anything you can think of. It hits us more self because the value of our money is not doing anything. Come on.
One course meal in Unilag is 1,500 naira.
Okay.
Our students
Does it mean that in Nigeria doesn't have intellectuals or people who are sound enough to turn things around in
I want
Nigeria?
Nigeria don't have intellectuals. People are here, they are intellectuals.
Like I said, we have been victims of bad leadership right from inception, and we have to change it.
Okay, thank you.